All right, year six, welcome. Today, we are going to talk about something super important for your digital life. We're going to help you become an expert at email. This is all about getting you ready for what comes next. The things we'll learn today, you're going to need them for secondary school, for university, even for your jobs one day. This is how you become future ready. So, are you ready to jump in? Awesome. Let's get started. First up, we're going to build your email toolkit. This is all about how to write emails like a pro. So, what is an email, really? Well, the easiest way to think about it is like a digital letter. Yeah, just like a letter you'd write on paper. That means it needs to be really clear and polite. It's all about being respectful. Okay, so every good professional email has four simple parts. It's a structure you can always follow. First, you've got the subject. Then comes the greeting. After that, you write the body, and you finish with the closing. Let's look at each one. All right, let's start at the very beginning with the subject line. The subject line is super important. Think of it like a headline for your email. It tells the person what your email is about before they even open it. It should be short and really clear. Something like, question about homework. See? Perfect. Short, simple, and clear. Okay, let's look at this. It really shows you the difference, right? Over on the left, oh dear, there's no subject, it just says hey, and there's no closing. But look at the one on the right. That's a professional email. It has a clear subject line, a polite greeting like Dear Mr. Smith, a clear question, and a nice closing. Which one do you think your teacher would prefer to get? For sure, the one on the right. You guys are doing great. Now listen up, because this next rule is one of the biggest rules for all digital communication. It's the no shouting rule. Okay, just imagine you open an email and it looks like this. I'm going to read it the way it feels to read it. Please send the homework now. Whoa, it feels like someone is shouting at you, right? It sounds really angry and demanding. And that's the big problem. When you use all caps in an email or a message, it feels like you are shouting. And we know that shouting isn't very polite, is it? So the rule is super simple. Just don't do it. Never write a whole email in capital letters. Brilliant. So now you know how to write a great email, but what do you do when you get one? Let's talk about managing the conversation. We're going to look at two really important buttons, reply and forward. Knowing which one to use is key. The difference is actually pretty simple. You use reply when you want to answer the person who sent you the email. It keeps the conversation going with them. You use forward when you want to send that email to a new person, someone who wasn't in the conversation before. So let's say it again. Reply is for answering. Forward is for sharing with someone new. So how do you do it? It's easy. To answer the sender, you just click the reply icon. See it? It usually looks like an arrow pointing back. Now to share that email with a new person, you click the forward icon. That one is usually an arrow pointing forward. It's really that simple. Okay, you've learned the basics, the fundamentals. Now, it is time to put your new skills to the test. Welcome to the Power User Challenge. We call it the Sprint. Get ready, because this challenge has 15 questions. That's 15 chances to show us what you've learned and prove you're an expert. So, what is the Sprint? It's a quick quiz to test how fast and how well you know this stuff. It is your big chance to show off all the amazing skills you've just learned. In the Sprint, we're going to test you on everything we just talked about. Things like how to write a good subject line, the no shouting rule with caps lock, and, of course, knowing when to reply and when to forward. It's going to cover all your new email skills. This is it. This is your moment to level up your skills and become a real power user. We know you can do it. We're totally confident you are ready for this. So, there's only one question left. Are you ready? Are you ready for the Sprint? Ready to prove you are a digital expert? Let's do this.